Google Fit Honest Review. So, the first thing that you want to do is know that Google Fit is a health and fitness tracking app developed by Google. After that, it syncs with Android devices, smartwatches, and other fitness apps to track steps, heart rate, calories burned, and active minutes. Over here, the interface is clean and simple. Then it uses heart points and move minutes as its main tracking metrics. After that, it encourages users to stay active with moderate or vigorous activities. Over here, the app is ideal for people who prefer a minimalistic tracking style. Then it integrates with third-party apps like MyFitnessPal, Nike Run Club, and Strava. After that, it's not packed with advanced workout metrics or social competition features. Over here, Google Fit is completely free. Then it's a good option for beginners or people who want low maintenance fitness tracking. After that, for more detailed data or social features, you might want to explore other apps. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons. Pros: completely free to use, no subscription or hidden cost. Clean and easy to use interface, great for beginners. Syncs with Android devices, Wear OS smartwatches, and popular third party fitness apps. Encourages daily movement through heart points and move minutes. Lightweight and minimal, doesn't drain your phone battery. Cons: lacks advanced metrics, not ideal for serious athletes or detailed training analysis. No built in social features or challenges, less motivation through community engagement. Limited customization options for workouts or goals. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.